EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to define a new piping line in a 3D model. This command is used. It is possible to type any text for the line name, or to copy the definition of an existing line and next change it. Let's modify the number and the insulation class. The text representing the line name notwithstanding, the three line definition parameters must be selected from those available in these three menus: nominal diameter, piping and insulation specifications. But the preferred option is to import a line from the project P&IDs line list that is automatically generated using the EPLANT P&ID module, or can also be manually loaded from an Excel file. In this window, only the lines that are not defined in any of the project 3D models will show up. The line name is copied along with its definition parameters. From now on, this line is available for use in this model. In fact, the layer where the line route is to be drawn, if needed, has already been created. This one is the line just defined, and this is the corresponding layer for drawing its line route.